Hi traders, in this video we are looking at Dabba trading, what it is, why it's illegal, and why it's so risky for anyone who gets involved. I'll explain the concept in simple terms, walk through how a Dabba operation works, and highlight the key dangers. Now, what is Dabba trading? Dabba trading, also called bucketing or bucket trading, is an illegal, off-the-books way of speculating on markets where trades are recorded in a private ledger instead of on a regulated exchange. The word Dabba comes from the Hindi word for box, reflecting how these transactions are literally kept in a separate box or shadow book outside normal market systems. Clients think they are trading stocks or commodities, but in reality, they are just betting with an intermediary who never sends their orders to a real exchange. Now, how does Dabba trading operate? In a typical Dabba setup, an intermediary takes client orders and records them in a private ledger, the Dabba, rather than routing them to an exchange. No real shares or contracts are bought or sold. The client is effectively betting on price moves, and wins or losses are settled in cash directly with the operator. Because these trades are unreported and unregulated, they are often linked to tax evasion, price manipulation, and converting unaccounted money into clean funds. As for the risks and why it matters, clients have virtually no legal protection if the operator refuses to pay or disappears. There is usually no formal recourse since the whole activity is outside the law. Prices in the Dabba ledger can be adjusted to favor the operator, and because nothing touches an official exchange, the entire environment is open to abuse. Clients have virtually no legal protection, as I previously said, so it's always good to do your due diligence and avoid trading in such circumstances. You can read more about Dabba trading, how it works, and why regulators are trying to stamp it out using the link in the description below. If this helped you understand why off-book side markets are so dangerous, make sure you like the video, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to the Forex Geek with notifications on. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.